Good morning.
Morning.
We are in Nassau, as you can tell.
Yeah.
Construction's still going underway. I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute. I don't know if they're going to open by December, but there's still a lot of work to do.
They got about 8 weeks.
Yeah.
But
So anyway.
Yeah.
So
we're here. We're going to get off the ship today and walk around the new port.
Imagine
I
that.
haven't really walked around it too much. I'm getting off with my two girlfriends, and and they haven't seen it either.
Can I come?
Pat's going to
I get to come.
I should say we're getting off with Teresa and Diane. It'll be a good day walking around and seeing what's new down there. They haven't been here in a while either.
Right.
So it's a beautiful day. The weather
It is
gorgeous.
absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see back there behind us, over Terry's shoulder, that's the Glory who left with us yesterday. The Disney Wishes in here that left with us yesterday, and they were like running beside us all night, the Disney ship. But anyway, you don't care about that stuff. But anyway,
it's going to be a great day.
the girls had fun in the casino last night.
Everybody won. We were having fun. It's a good night. Okay.
All right, so we will see you on land.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. All right, here's the new area they're building, the all-inclusive. It's really starting to come along. That building there was only halfway done. They only had half of those top pieces up. Got the dock down there almost done. That's what's going to be running you over there. Got the pool filled. Pool is filled there. And then down to the end. There's the Glory coming in. So, moving right along. December's getting close. Good. Look at that water. Isn't that awesome? Having breakfast
It was pretty bland.
at the Park Cafe down here in Central Park. Pretty good. Look who I found. Max. My girlfriend.
In here, and I want to really try this rum cake. This rum cake, everybody says it's delicious. I can't wait to try it. Want to try some? Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nothing. No rum cake. Oh, but we know where there is a rum cake. Right around the corner. We're going to find her.
This is the rum cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're going to take me trying it? Yeah. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
You should buy it.
Oh, it's so good.
Hey, where are we going?
We're going to the, not to dinner.
We're not
right
going
now.
to dinner
It's
yet.
before dinner, and Diane's in the casino. But during dinner, you will see Diane and Minnie. Diane's in the casino.
That went crazy. All right.
Hopefully, Diane can win big tonight.
All right. We'll see you in the dining room. So they just brought this out.
Sometimes there's fig, right? Like this is
not
a
sure
fig,
what that is.
which I like.
That's what she said it was.
It
Fig,
is
right?
fig.
Swiss cheese.
Yeah. Now let me taste it.
Cheddar cheese, walnuts, grapes.
Tastes like the inside of a fig Newton. This is their cheese friend.
Because we're fun.
This is cheese. Like shaking.
All right, Terry
We
got
walk in
the
here, he drinks out of
French
great big
onion
thing
soup.
of liquor and
You
donuts
got
on
the
his
French
ass.
onion
That's
soup,
freaking Friday.
Diane. Teresa got the French onion soup, and Michael, that guy right there.
Yes.
Michael brought me the French onion soup.
Oh my god, I'm making a mess.
Terry got the Caribbean chicken
It's like a weedy wrap.
with extra rice and beans, and I got
It looks like a baby.
Nothing. Poor Patrick. I'm so full. I don't
the pork chop.
I'll take a couple bottles. I'm gonna go stand by.
Oh wow! Happy birthday!
Look at
You want to
that.
Okay, take. Okay. Happy birthday. All right.
Thank
Happy birthday. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you, Diana. Happy birthday to you, Diana. Happy birthday, dear Diana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come to me.
Do one with
Okay,
me.
go.
Like this.
Go ahead. I'm on video. You just did that.
Oh my god.
Okay. Blow it out, girl.
Good evening.
Hi, we just got out of the opera show. It's late, but we're in the casino bar. I might say and play, but that's where I'm going.
Yep.
And we're finishing off the nightcap
Different.
here. I got a cosmopolitan martini.
And I got a chocolate martini shocker.
I'm changing it up a little bit.
Alright, so anyway, tomorrow, Coco K. So we actually went east to go back west. So, and tomorrow's Coco K. 7 o'clock in the morning we get there.
We're not getting off the train. Not this
Never
time.
know. Alright.
I'll sit down over and get me a treat.
Alright, so we'll see you in the morning at Coco K.
Okay.
Coco K.
Cheers.
Bye.
Martini.
Alright. Cheers.